Sir, shall we start, sir? Santosh sir, shall we start, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir. Good morning, one and all. I welcome you all for the Jagrookta Diwas awareness program on cyber crimes in banking sector. First, I welcome Sri K. Santosh Kumar, Lead District Manager, Indian Bank, Chengalpattu District, for acceptance of our invitation to be the resource person for this program. Welcome, sir.
Thank you,
I
sir.
welcome our Director, Sri Nachiketa Rao, for gave permission to organize this program within the short span of time. Thank you, sir. I welcome welcome Sankaranarayan sir, Deputy Registrar Administration, and Amarnath sir, Deputy Registrar Officiating, staffs, colleagues, HRD students, and HRD for this program. I hope this program is helpful for all. Thank you. I would like to invite our Director, Sri Nachiketa Rao, Director.
Sir, you finish, sir, it comes.
To deliver the address.
You after finish, you give a call, it comes. By the time I clear all the files.
Fine, namaskaram, all of you, and congratulations that we are conducting a very apt program at the apt moment of time, titled Cyber Crimes in Banking Sector. For everything, now after this QR code which has come, even for 50 rupees, we prefer to scan the mobile phone and get it paid through the mobile phone. So it's very essential that every time our bank account is being accessed by some network which we may not know whether it is safe or not, it's very essential that we should be ensuring that whatever we are accessing is something which is safe. Which are the different areas which should be avoided, which we should be avoiding, which are the different areas which we should be unaware of, which we should be aware about the fact that this is something which we should be very much knowing. And this particular program, where Sri K. Santosh Kumar, Lead District Manager, Indian Bank, Chengalpattu District, has agreed to speak about, is something which needs to be heard appropriately and to be practiced, to be put to practice. There are many things which would be addressed in this particular talk, which would be including introduction to social networks, electronic payments and safeguards therein, as well as many other concepts which have to be kept in mind so as to have a safe internet navigation. So I welcome.
Thank you, sir.
K. Santosh Kumar Saab
Thank
for
you,
this
sir. Thank you.
program, and I congratulate our media officer, Sri Rajesh Muniadi, that he has taken up this effort to organize this program. I congratulate and I welcome all the participants also for joining us for this program, and I formally declare the program inaugurated. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspirational speech, sir. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. Santosh Kumar, Lead District Manager, Chengalpattu Indian Bank, to deliver that address. Start, sir, please.
Very good morning to one and all. Myself, K. Santosh Kumar, Lead District Manager for Chengalpattu District. First of all, I would like to thank NIPMET Director and their colleagues for giving the opportunity to our lead bank, which is Indian Bank, is the lead bank for Chengalpattu District, for giving this kind of awareness to the institute teachers as well as to the students in this right time, because nowadays every citizen is moving towards digital banking. They are not visiting the normal banking channel, means normal bank branches. Everyone is moving towards digital banking. Everyone is having their mobile apps, that is banking apps. Through that, they are doing all the transactions, whatever they want. Even they can avail loans nowadays. And recently, Indian Bank has launched one loan, pre-approved personal loan. They no need to visit the branch at all, or they no need to inform just they have to raise a request through the mobile phone. automatically the account will be credited without visiting branch or manager or any of the bank. Only they have to have the account with the bank, and they have to download the app if they are having regular transactions with the bank account for the past 1 year, and based on their CIBIL report, the automatically amount will be credited in their account. So in this kind of evolution is happening in the banking without visiting the branches. So simultaneously we are having threat that is called cybercrime. Cybercrime is nothing but they are through this computer, they are hacking, phishing, wishing, lot of things are happening. So through that they are taking your money from your own bank accounts. Especially there is a huge increase in the recent past years in the digital payments. Due to this competition among the public sector or private sector banks, they are making customer convenience. In order to make the customer more convenient, they are offering more number of products from the bank side. At the same time, these hackers or this cyber crime people, fraudsters, they are hacking their apps or mail or personal information of the customers, and they are looting the money from the customer's bank account. Government of India has launched financial inclusion scheme in 2010. Before that, only these rich people can come to the banks and they will have the bank accounts. But after this financial inclusion scheme, each and every citizen of India has to have the bank account. All the transactions, whatever the government schemes or subsidies or benefits, all should be routed through bank accounts through direct benefit transfer. And this has increased more number of customers to the banks. But banks are having limited staff members. They are unable to cope up or they are unable to give the good customer service to the customers. So what they have planned, they have moved to digital platform. So after that, moving to the digital platform, there are mobile transaction, internet banking, lot of initiatives each and every bank is introducing day by day. And simultaneously, these fraudsters are more innovative than the bankers. They are utilizing more innovative ideas to hack these mobile apps and websites, and they are looting the money from the bank accounts. First, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is just using the computer as a commission and or a target to hack your account. After hacking that account, they will take all your information from your mobile or computer or whatever they are hacking. This is just a simple this one. The lot of cyber crimes are there through credit card or ATM card or mails, like that. They are utilizing your bank accounts. First, I will go one by one. First is this first cyber crime. When it is happened, 1986, brain boot sector virus. First virus was introduced by these fraudsters during 1986. This only has hacked the computers. Through that, they have taken all the data. After in 1990s, they have hacked websites. Even if you are having that like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, they have now they have moved to this personal information they want to hack. In 2015, this DDoS, like that cyber attacks has happened. Nowadays, this espionage is happening. All your personal information, sir, they are waving at every nook and corner. Wherever they are able to get the data, they are taking data from various resources of your own. If you are sharing any Aadhaar or PAN card or any mobile number or your date of birth, anywhere, for even for your birth, sometimes you are visiting malls and you are giving your date of birth for sending birthday greetings, and you are giving your mobile number and your Aadhaar number. Through that also they are taking all the informations and they are hacking all your personal information, and they are hacking your financial details from various Paytm or GPay, wherever they want, they are hacking. Like this, it is happening. First one is this phishing links. Phishing links. Phishing links means just a third-party website they will create. Through that, it will look like a genuine website, but it is not a bank website. They will create just like a bank website, like if it is Indian Bank website, like that website they will create. Through that, they will ask all your details. They will send SMS or through social media, they will promote or instant messenger or mail, they will send. So customers will think that this Indian bank or other banks has offered some product to us. So we will click that link and we will share, we will ask some offers from the banks. They will give lower rate of interest or they will give some offers. If you use this, you will get offer at Swiggy or Zomato or Amazon. Like that, they will give some offers. So if you click that link to induce your this one your desires, then they will take all your data. So what our suggestion to prevent this is, you should open any unknown links from wherever you are getting, or SMS or through SMS also links will come, or through WhatsApp it will come, email it will come. So you should not open any unwanted links or unknown links. Whatever unknown links you are receiving, that you should not open. That is the only way to prevent this from the cyber frauds. Otherwise, your data, all data will be taken and they will loot all your money from the bank account. So this is the first one, phishing links. This phishing links you should not open at all. Next one is phishing calls. Like a banker, they will call. We are calling from Indian Bank. Like manager, they will talk. We are providing a loan to you, or your KYC is not updated, your PAN card is not updated, your ATM card has been blocked, we want to open the ATM card. So like that, they will call and inform. So immediately this unknown illiterate persons, they will share all the credentials, especially they will call this illiterate persons and they will ask all ATM card related details. So immediately they are sharing everything through phone, and immediately they are entering in online websites and they are purchasing some goods through, but where they are operating, no one knows, because multiple places they are working and they are looting all your monies immediately. So whenever some call comes from bank, you should not, banker will never call until otherwise if you have taken any loan and if you have not repaid. For that purpose only they may call. Other than that, to update your KYC or update your any related eKYC, nowadays you have to put your biometric in the banks. For that also you have to personally visit the bank. You should not share any details like Aadhaar or PAN or your date of birth or OTP or CVV or ATM card number, PIN number. You should not share anything to anyone. You should keep always private, and you should not share anything to any of even your family members. Sometimes they may call, you may kept your mobile in your house. Sometimes the manager may call, you may be out of your house or you may go for somewhere. So immediately they will, means your son or daughter will take, or your wife may take, they will share all the informations through ATM, whatever they are asking. So you should keep all your ATM cards or PIN number, CVV, everything in a private manner. You should not keep as such. Otherwise, it will create lot of problems. So they will use this opportunity also. Lot of people, especially illiterate people, are giving their cards to their son to operate the ATM card. Immediately some call may come from bank, like this fraudsters. They are sharing all the details that son may be a 10th standard or 12th standard, and immediately they will think that manager is calling from the bank, so we have to give the detail, otherwise the ATM card may be blocked. Like that they will think, and immediately that all the money will be looted. So a lot of people are coming to the banks with this kind of complaint only. Every day bankers are receiving this complaint because they are sharing entire things, even CVV they are sharing, OTP they are sharing, PIN number they are sharing to the fraudsters. Number of complaints are increasing day by day in the banking sector. This sharing of information only because by the customer itself. Next one is online selling platforms. They will see sometimes these traders are there, they are having their own apps like supermarkets, other people, business people, they are having their own apps. Like a buyer, they will ask how much price this and that, and they will ask immediately. You send the code to us, means this UPI link, and immediately they will raise a request money option. So immediately these people will raise the request, immediately your bank account will be debited. So wherever this online selling platforms are there, like Amazon or Flipkart, any platforms, either you are a seller or a buyer, you should be always cautious. You should not raise any request money option through UPI. It comes, you should avoid. Otherwise, nowadays a lot of new apps are coming. Even most of the people may not aware. They are all are similar like Amazon and Flipkart. And but fraudsters are using some same kind of apps, but we may not know. It will look like Amazon only. But after that, you are clicking, buying everything, all the money from your bank account will be debited, but you will not receive any goods from that concerned seller. So you should use only authenticated apps. Like Amazon means Amazon app you have downloaded from the Play Store or not, that, or Flipkart. That like similar apps are there. So fraud apps, that apps you should not at all use. If anything is there, you should delete immediately. You should not download unwanted apps also from your mobile. Sometimes they will send the link to download these apps. So you should not download that kind of apps. Especially this PIN number and password, you should not save in the apps. Most of the people are, to make it more convenient, they are saving their all credentials in the app itself, because they want to pay any EB bill or they want to buy something, they are simply just they will click pay now option. Immediately OTP will come. That OTP also nowadays auto fetch. It is happening in the apps. Then automatically, just if you give one click OK, your money will be debited. So you should not save any credential in any of the apps. Even Amazon, even Flipkart or GPay or Paytm, you should not save any your ATM card credentials. It will directly take your entire information from the bank. So all the data or all the your CVV, date of birth, data, expiry date of the card, everything will be entered. Then only your payment will be processed. Only they need OTP. So for that they will hack your mobile. If you just click, then entire amount will be debited from your account. So you should not save any information of your ATM card details in any of the online selling apps. Then you should not download any of the mobile apps. Means nowadays lot of game, Free Fire, like that, so many apps are coming. So that apps also you should not download. That from that app also they are hacking your mobile phones. So unwanted or unverified mobile apps or unknown apps, it comes as a link or SMS or email, or if they are promoting, you should not download. If you download, then automatically entire data will be theft from your mobile phone. You are saving all the data in your mobile phone nowadays, even in WhatsApp or Facebook or so Instagram or Twitter, everything you are giving your entire details, where you are, what you are doing, all the details you are sharing then and there. So it should be means hidden to your friends only, not to the public. So if you are doing that, they are all will see. Then these fraudsters will create your own Facebook ID. Fake IDs are nowadays created. You all know that fake IDs will be created, and through that they will request money from your friends and family members. I need urgently 1,000 rupees. Please send money immediately to this following GPay number, like that. So immediately you will send the money. Lot of people are getting cheated by this Facebook fake IDs. This is one of the most trending cyber crime in India. Especially this Facebook ID they are creating, because we are keeping our Facebook domain as public. So you have to keep that hide, or you have to lock your profile, Facebook profile. Only your friends and where whomsoever you want to, they want to see that, for that persons only they have to see. Otherwise, your fake email ID, means Facebook ID will be created. From that Facebook ID, they will request money from your relatives and your name will be spoiled. So that you have to ensure that you should not keep your Facebook ID as open to all the public. Next one is ATM card skimming. ATM card skimming, what they are doing, if you are saving your ATM card details in this unwanted apps or Amazon or Flipkart, from there they will means sometimes they may hack Amazon apps, Amazon also, even big personalities, Twitter or Facebook also they are hacking. So they may hack big apps like Amazon or Flipkart also they may hack, or some GPay or Paytm also they may hack, and they will clone your ATM card, because you have already saved your all the credentials in that app. So they will clone your ATM card, and from there they will go to nearest ATMs, and through that ATM card cloning they will withdraw all your money. They will reset your password, everything, and they will take your money. So this is one of the fraud has happened 2 years back in Mumbai. They have cloned more than 1 lakh cards of some reputed public sector bank, and they have looted money in a short span of time. A lot big loss has happened to the that public sector bank and customers. But anyway, that insurance has insurance amount was there, so they have paid to the concerned customers. But we also should be aware that we should not save or store our ATM card details in any apps. This is one of the thing. Another one, if you visit any ATM centers while using ATM card, you have to see that ATM is having any new attachments, like they are fixing the means what you call that, some skimmers they are fixing in the ATM itself. And if you put your ATM card, your entire data will be skimmed through that skimmer. After that, again they will clone your ATM card, then they will take back your money. So whenever you are visiting ATMs, if any extra projections are there in the ATMs, you should be very alert. You have to check whether, and that keypad also, if you put a PIN number, that entire thing will be, data will be taken from there. So any extra fittings are there in the ATM, as like normal ATMs will have that keyboard and that ATM card insertion tool. But if anything is extra is there, you have to immediately inform to the concerned bank. I am using this frequently, this ATM, but today I have found some new devices fixed in the ATM. So if you verify with the branch manager also will come and immediately check whether any skimmer is fixed or not. Anyway, bankers are regularly nowadays, they have told banker has to daily visit the ATMs. But if they are visiting morning, evening they may fix. Night they will skim all the cards. And early morning they will remove the skimmer and they will take back all the data. So whenever you are visiting ATM, any extra devices are fixed in the ATM, you have to immediately report to the nearest police station or report to the concerned branch manager or customer. Means we are having toll-free numbers. All the banks are having toll-free numbers that will be displayed in all the ATMs. So you can give an immediate complaint. They will block that entire ATM machine itself from the head office. So this way we can restrict the frauds to you as well as to other customers also. Next one is screen sharing apps are there nowadays. So that screen sharing apps, they will just share the app through screen. immediately if it will come to you, if you touch that screen, automatically that app will be downloaded. After that, that entire screen will, that entire data will be taken from you, your mobile. That particular screen sharing app will take back all your data from your mobile phone. So automatically your entire data will be hacked. So whatever the screen sharing app, something comes to your mobile, you should not download. You have to immediately delete. Whatever mails or emails or SMS you are receiving now, you have to delete unwanted links, unwanted apps, whatever links you are receiving, you delete immediately. Otherwise, you may keep, tomorrow we will check what it is. Sometimes you will give it to your friend. He may click that link, that mobile link. So automatically entire data will be taken away. So where one more thing, you have to install Truecaller in your all the mobile phones. Nowadays, when call is coming, automatically Truecaller will show that spam from banker, fraudster, fraud, like that it will come. So automatically you will be very vigilant. You can avoid those calls. They are sometimes good calls also coming for marketing purpose, but you avoid. If you don't want to take any loan through online, or if you don't want to get any offers from the bank, you just avoid that calls. Especially unknown calls are coming from unknown persons. Please avoid that calls. That will be very useful to you to restrict your all the frauds. Next one is SIM swap. If most of the account details are linked with your mobile number, so if you are this fraudsters will give ask some, they will provide some offer. Your SIM is having 2G service, we will give 4G. Your SIM is having 3G service, so we will give 4G or 5G service. So immediately you share all the SIM related details. We will immediately give new SIM. So don't share any SIM card related details also. This also like a SIM cloning. Like previously ATM card cloning, SIM cloning they will do. Once the SIM is cloned, immediately everything, they will, all the data will be taken away from your SIM card. So that also will nowadays happening. So SIM card details you should not share with anyone. Backside of the SIM card, lot of numbers will be there. That numbers you should not share with anyone. That you have to keep safely. You should not, if you want any 4G SIM or 5G SIM, you visit your nearest mobile showroom or this networks, Airtel or whatever BSNL. You visit the showroom and get that new SIM card. If any SIM damage or anything is there, don't give your SIM details over the phone to anyone, even to the BSNL or Airtel employees for asking for 4G service. So you have to visit the nearest showroom, you get the SIM card, new SIM card. Otherwise, if they will deliver online or if they deliver through post, don't believe that. That also nowadays happening, SIM swapping is happening. So you should not share any credentials of SIM card to anyone. Next one is this, we are searching lot of things through this search engines. Google Chrome, a lot of search engines are there. So you have to search only what you want. Unwanted websites, unwanted links, you should not search. If you search unwanted websites or unwanted links, then automatically you will get all the problems. The hackers are behind that unwanted links only. So unknown links are means that unwanted search. If you are doing some unwanted search in the search engine, through that they are hacking your entire system, laptop or even your mobile. Mobile will hang. If you search unwanted things in your mobile, mobile will hang immediately. So you should not search unwanted things in your mobile network. If you search, then from that searches, they will take all your data from your mobile phone or your system. if you are searching through computer system or laptop, that entire data will be taken away. So unwanted links or searches you should not do in the search engine. This will also create a problem to you all. Next one is through QR code. Nowadays, these fraudsters, what they are doing, this QR code, their QR code, they are pasting in the shops. So this one thing has happened recently even in Chengalpattu. One vegetable vendor has kept the QR code outside the shop. And after that, this fraudster came and he pasted his QR code over that QR code. So what happened? Whatever the payments they are making, it is directly going to that person. Previously, this nowadays this Paytm, after this fraud, Paytm has provided that one speaker type of device. Immediately it will tell 100 rupees credited, 100 rupees received, like that. Previously it was not there. Immediately they will show that this is successful transaction. So this illiterate vegetable lady thought that she has received all the money. So in 2-3 days she has not received any money in her bank account. 4th day she visited, then only she found that something is happened. Whatever the QR code they have scanned, that was not credited. After that they checked that QR code. Over her QR code, that fraudster QR code was there. So this QR code also, whenever you are making some payment through QR code, you have to verify the name. If some QR code is there, if you are visiting some Ramraj showroom, that Ramraj is having some Paytm QR, then you have to check whether that Ramraj showroom name is coming or not. Immediately you check with the Ramraj showroom also whether they have received the amount or not. Even nowadays, each and every one is having the QR code. If you visit any mutton stall also, they are having QR code. And they are pasting outside that wall. So they are all illiterates. So immediately they may not receive the money also. So please visit that. Wherever you are making payment through QR code, you verify that that name is coming or not in that QR code. That account details also will be embedded in that QR codes. So without account details are there, you don't scan that QR codes. If somebody is there, some person you are making some payment to some mobile showroom, if a MI showroom is there, below that QR code, some XYZ MI showroom, like that will be there. So that name is there or not, that you check, then you scan it. And that same name is reflecting in your mobile app or not, that you check it. Then you make the payment. Next one is through social media. I already told that Facebook nowadays they are making lot of fake IDs. That fake IDs are utilized to take the money from your friends and relatives. So you have to keep your Facebook or Instagram or Twitter confidential, and only that friends has to see everything. Other than your friends or other than your relatives, they should not see your all the personal details in social media. That is very important. Most of the people are losing money through this kind of cyber crime, the cyber frauds. So, but we are creating awareness to all the people. But most, even Facebook also, they have given a lot of statements to make, and they have given option for profile locking also. So you use that profile locking facility, then you will avoid this kind of problems. Then another one is juice jacking is one kind of fraud. Nowadays, all the malls, railway station, airport, they are giving free Wi-Fi facility and charging points. So whatever through data cable, if you charge, your all data will be transferred. Or free Wi-Fi if you use, then your entire data will be taken away by that Wi-Fi persons. That kind of problems are happening. So wherever free Wi-Fi or free charging ports are available, don't use that. If you are using, your data will be stolen. It will be taken away from your devices, even from mobile, or if you are using your computer system, that also it will take from there also they will take away. So don't use public networks or ports or cables to charge your mobile phone, or don't use any Wi-Fi facility in public places. that will be more dangerous to your all the personal data as well as bank details also will be taken away. Next one is lottery. They are offering lot of offers for we are giving you will receive you have won this much amount through email you will receive. For that you have to pay some processing fee to get this lottery amount. Like that they will give some offers. So please don't click that offers. You will not get even a single money. Instead of that you will pay processing fee like a consultant fee. They will ask first. No bank or no person will ask any processing fee or anything before availing loan or before providing some services to you. We will never ask. After sanctioning loan and dispersing loan only we will ask processing fee. Before that we will never ask anything. Before that you have to pay this much processing fee, then only we will disperse the loan. So that means it itself shows that it is fraudsters. So you should not you should avoid this kind of emails. Whenever lottery offer comes through email or SMS or WhatsApp, please avoid. Don't click that kind of offers or don't pay any amount like a processing fee or consultant fee for them. That lottery offers. That is a lottery offer means it itself a fraud only. So please don't click that kind of lottery offer links or messages. Next one is online job fraud. So nowadays this is one. Nowadays you know that India is having lot of unemployment rate is increasing day by day. So what happened? This fraudster using this kind of idea also means they are going to provide a job offer. So you have to pay the online. You have to fill the online application and you have to make the payment. Then only we will call you for the interview. Like that they are creating one website and they all the person you will enter all the details and you will give your some 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees for attending the interview also as a fee. So no person will offer this kind of things. So even reputed companies will first they will call for some written exam, then next GD or interview, GD, then only interview they will call. This kind of fake job offers don't trust. If any job offer comes through email or any social media or any SMS, please verify whether it is authenticated job offer. Authenticated institutions are offering this kind of job offers. Then only you have to click that kind of links. Otherwise, if you are feeling that something is fishy or fake, please avoid that. That job offer, through that job offers, lot of money is looted from the unemployed people. Already they are not earning, but through this also they are looting the money from the general public. So please avoid that kind of job offers if you are that website is unknown or fishy. Then this NBFCs are there, non-banking finance companies. What they are doing, they are extensively lending to even villagers, especially to the village people, because bankers are not able to percolate in depth to the interior villages. But non-banking finance companies like microfinance companies are there. A lot of companies, Equitas, Jana Small Finance Bank, Ujjivan, like that. Lot of NBFCs are there nowadays. So what they are doing, they are visiting their entire village and they are making some loan disbursements in the village itself. And by seeing this, these fraudsters started a lot of things and they are using this kind of opportunities to create new frauds. So whenever some personal loan offer or some micro offers, micro loan they will give. So don't trust that kind of offers. Only RBI registered NBFCs only you have to approach if you want any loan, because banks will not provide loans without giving some documents or some proofs. But these people will offer, but for that they will ask some money, processing fee. So this like a NBFC, they are creating some fake bank names and fake bank websites. Through that they are offering lot of offers, personal loan offer or consumer loan, like that. So you should avoid that kind of NBFCs. You have to verify this NBFC is registered with RBI or not. If that NBFC is not registered, don't approach for any loans. For that, a lot of approved NBFCs are there by RBI. So there you can visit and get the loan easily. Then lot of telephonic calls you will receive from for availing loan or credit card, or lot of facilities are there nowadays. For especially credit card, all the bankers are calling to all the customers, and this for that they will provide all the data. They will fill entire application form, whatever they are sending they will fill, and they will share all the personal data, even Aadhaar card, PAN card, everything you are sharing to the unknown person. Whether that credit card person, calling person is from the bank, whether it is from the reputed bank or that bank is there or not, that you have to verify. Otherwise, that credit card you reject it. Otherwise, if you give all the data, what they are doing, they are taking entire your documents, because you will sign entire application, even Aadhaar card you will self-attest, PAN card you will self-attest, and they will go as like you, and they will submit everything online to other banks, and from there they will receive your credit card. Because you will not fill, they will tell, don't fill any address or anything, just you sign it, I will fill everything, like that they will tell. So you will think that, so SBI is calling for credit card, so I will just sign, I will attach my Aadhaar card, PAN card and photo, just blank application I will send to that person who is calling you, or by mail or in person also sometimes they are giving. So after that, they will fill their own address, and that credit card will be received with everything, their phone number they will mention there. So entire message or OTP will go to their mobile only. So what will happen, automatically entire your data will be, means you have given your own data to the fraudster, and he will avail credit card in your name, and after some time that fellow will abscond, and you will receive a credit card bill at your permanent address. So you automatically your CIBIL score will go down, because that fraudster utilized all your application and data. So automatically that fellow might have utilized all your money also. So you have to avoid this kind of telephonic calls for credit card offers. So don't submit any application, personal loan application or credit card application through online. If you can submit only through approved apps. See, if SBI is there, SBI is having YONO app, Indian Bank is having Diwas app. So like that, approved apps are there. Through that, you can raise any request, home loan or credit card or personal loan, whatever the loan you want. But don't, if some telephonic call comes, don't submit. I am from a marketing department of that particular bank, so I am sending the applications of that particular bank. Kindly submit your application. Like that, they will call. Please don't submit any application to that kind of marketing persons. They will misuse. So please don't avoid that kind of marketing calls. Next one is SMS. NBFCs will call. Already you might have availed some loan with some NBFC. That data will be given to some other NBFC. So that NBFC means fraud, and fraudsters will take away all the data from that NBFC. They will tell that they will enhance the limit of your existing loan. Like that they will call. So automatically what you will do, already I have availed 50,000 from some NBFC. So I want now 1 lakh. So I will give some processing fee. So for that you will pay some amount. After that they will loot that entire money. After that they will take your enhancement amount also from the particular NBFC. If you submit, apply like a credit card, if you apply through online, they will take from that NBFC also. So whatever loans you want to avail, either through approved apps or visit in person to the particular bank or NBFC. Don't make any loan request through online. And lot of nowadays fake loan websites and fake apps are there for loan offers. So that websites you should not visit. If any such offers are coming, sometimes they are giving short-term loan, long-term loan, like that they will give some offers, some 10,000 I will give, like that they will give. So you have to verify whether that app is, or that loan offer is from the approved institution or not. Then only you have to avail that facility. Otherwise, you have to delete that app or fake loan offers immediately from your mobile. Next one is this nowadays this multi level marketing, that if you give 10 persons in a group, we will give some money to you, like that. So that chain marketing they are doing. So that chain marketing also, if we have to link 10 members to that particular institution, after that for each member they will provide some 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, like that. Initially they will do. After that, that entire money they will loot and they will gone away. They are not at all approved. One example is there in I was from I'm from Hero district. One fine future like that, one chit funds they have started. All the illiterates they have attacked. What they have done, if you put 8,000 monthly, 800 I will give. If you put 10,000 monthly, 1,000 rupees I will give until your death. Like that, they have given a big offer to all the illiterates. Initially 2-3 people invested and they got the money. Over a period of time, thousands of people joined, because for 2-3 months they have created some positive message against all the public, general public, stating that if I put 10,000 I am receiving 1,000 rupees per month. So 5 to 6 months they have given. So all the peoples believed that this institution is a reputed institution and they are giving money back to us. If we pay 10,000, we are receiving 10,000 rupees per month. One of the poor lady, she sold the entire land, invested 3 lakhs rupees to that institution. Like that, I am telling only one example. Like that, lot of people invested. They sold their entire land, or they have closed fixed deposit from the bank and they have invested there, because they are receiving 1,000 rupees per month until their death. Like that, they have given big offer. So they have, like this kind of attractive offers, you should not believe. These offers, what they will do, automatically no one can pay 40 to 50% rate of interest, or 40 to even 1,000 rupees per month for 10,000. No bank or no institutions can pay. These are all logically we can conclude, but you have to avoid this kind of fake offers from the market. Those who are giving, you have to visit their office, whether that office is there, whether that institution is there, whether that finance company is there, whether the chit fund company is there or not, that you visit. So over the phone call, over the person, or some relatives, they are chain marketing they are doing. So the chain marketing also one of the like a cyber crime only, because they are using this through phone calls. They are linking all the peoples and they are taking money away from the general public. So this kind of offers also you have to avoid. And your all loan documents, whenever you are signing any loan document, don't sign through online. If any loan was sanctioned, they will send the sanction letter through mail or mobile, WhatsApp. So you have to visit the particular bank branch and you have to sign the document, loan documents. Sometimes the sanction letter will come to you and you will sign all the loan documents through online only, and that documents will be utilized, but amount will be not credited into in your account. It will be credited into the fraudster account. So forged loan documents they are using. So all the loans will be sanctioned by the fraudster, and tomorrow it will be very legal also. So you should not sign these forged loan documents. Means loan documents you have to visit the branch and you have to sign in presence of some bank officials. Don't sign in online. That will create some digital signature you will put. Don't put in online. Only authenticated banks, if they require, then you put on the digital signature. Otherwise, don't use any digital signature for this kind of NBFCs or marketing this finance companies. So this also you have to avoid. I will conclude with some how to prevent yourself from this cybercrime frauds. I'm having some few points with me that already I have explained, but anyway I will summarize. First, you should not means you should not means touch any pop-ups. Whatever pop-ups is lot of pop-ups are displaying in social medias, or if you go to any Google search engine, lot of pop-ups will come. You should not open that pop-ups. If any pop-up message comes, just delete or you avoid to visit that pop-ups. Otherwise, that will hack your devices. Then whenever you are visiting some sites, that should have HTTPS. That S should be there. Without that HTTPS, you should not visit any websites. If that is there, means that is all unapproved websites, and anything may happen to your device or to your mobile or your computer system. So HTTPS should be there. Otherwise, don't visit. And all your PIN, password, or credit card number or debit card number should kept in private in your home also. You should not write backside of the ATM card, or you should not write in your diary, or you should not store your PIN in your mobile or WhatsApp. You should not share ATM card photo to WhatsApp through your mobile, your wife or son. He may ask, I want to make some payment. You send ATM card details. You may send that ATM card number, expiry date, your PIN number, everything through your WhatsApp. So you should not share that kind of information through WhatsApp or any social media. Next one is already I told you should not save any card details in any of the any of the websites, online selling platforms. Next one is always you turn on two-factor authentication. First one OTP will come. Next one, like all the bank apps are having login PIN and transaction PIN. Like that, you should have two-factor authentication. That will help you to avoid this kind of problems. So 2 times you will have the password. So two-factor authentication is required for all, even in your device also. Nowadays pattern is there. After that you can put password also. Like that, pattern and password are 2 passwords. Like that you set it. No one should access your mobile or device without with one single password. So that also. And I told already this, you should not open unwanted emails. Next one is you should not share any checkbook or KYC documents, photocopies through means through WhatsApp or social media, or bank account details, like a photo. All the people are taking check. They will take photograph of the check and they will send to bank, even branches. If we ask, they will sign and send. Like that they are doing for make it they want to make more convenient. They want more comfortable position. From the house itself they want money. So sometimes these big people are sending checks by photographs. So immediately bankers also making some banks are making payments. So please avoid those kind of WhatsApp messages, even though you are sending to particular bank branches. That banker today he may be a good person. Tomorrow you don't know what he will do. Check cloning is there. Nowadays all checks are not sent to the concerned bank branches. Just we are scanning and sending. So that scanned document only will go. Tomorrow your check may be cloned, and that cloned check may be used for another means payment. So don't share any checkbooks through mobile phones, checkbook photographs. In your devices or computer, change the passwords frequently. Regular intervals we have to change the passwords, and you have to install antivirus every time. Means if it is not updated, you have to update, or if it is not installed, antivirus to be installed immediately. Then unknown USB. Nowadays in banks we never use USB, means pen drive or CD. They might have used in some other offices, and that way have ransomware or malwares. So that virus may attack our bank systems. Like that, your system, personal PCs also will be infected with this virus. So don't use USB drive in all the places. Particular USB drive, you have to install ATM, this antivirus that should be scanned. Then only you have to access that USB. Otherwise, don't access any USB devices. And don't leave your if you are having any personal information in your PC, you should lock. If you are leaving the office or you leaving the your cabin, please lock with password, then you leave. Otherwise your neighbors will come and stolen all your data, and the entire your personal information will be shared with the fraudsters. So next one is auto lock. Auto lock facility you enable in your all your system. As and when you are not using for more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it should get auto locked. After 5 to 10 minutes, it should after entering your password only you can open the system. Like that you make your own settings. Then don't install unknown applications or software in your PC, and don't store your passwords in your PCs. Next one is while visiting internet browsing, unsecured websites. I already told you should not visit unsecured websites or unknown browsers, and don't save any passwords in public domains. Any public domains, you should not save any passwords or your bank credentials also, and do not share any private information to any unknown person. Don't share your Aadhaar and PAN card details to anyone. Unknown person or known person also, you don't share anything to anyone, because they may share to somebody else. So it will WhatsApp means it will in a minute it will go to 1,000 persons. So you don't share your personal information to even your known persons through WhatsApp. And always verify the security page. I told HTTPS, whether it is there or not, that you check, then you proceed with this search. Otherwise, don't search any searches in the search engine. For safe internet banking, you have to use that virtual keyboard. Virtual keyboard, what it will do, it will change the your number and alpha numeric and numbers frequently. So you will not be traced by these fraudsters. So you have to always use this virtual keyboard instead of normal keyboard. Normal keyboard will have, if 1 2 3 4 is there, you will always use that 1 2 3 4, that will be traced. So you use virtual keyboard, that will be one of the best thing to avoid this kind of they can't capture your password. Next one is while using internet banking, you have to log out. A few people are not getting logged out, and it may be hacked. So whenever you are using internet banking, you have to log out after using that internet banking. Update your passwords on periodical basis in internet banking also. Do not use same passwords. Same passwords don't use. You frequently change your passwords. Previous password after that 1 2 don't change. Like you have to keep alphanumeric and some special characters. And I already told 2-factor authentication. These 2-3 things you have to follow. It will automatically save your entire account details. And I already told, don't do any financial transactions in public domains. Even if you are visiting some browsing center, don't do any internet banking from the this internet browsing center. That has to be used in your personal PC or in your mobile. Don't go to visit if you are visiting any computer center, or if you are using any Wi-Fi personal means public Wi-Fi, don't enter any internet banking or mobile apps, banking apps. Next one is your email account. That should be stored in a proper way, because we are sending either through SMS, OTP we are sending through SMS or to your email. One option is the email or SMS. So your email also should be more safe and secure. Email, you have to protect your email password properly, then only you can save your this account details, because most of the people are giving your email details to the bank account. So we are sharing all the informations of bank statement or any information of your account, we are sharing through emails only. So your email should be more means that password should be stronger, and it should be secure. you should not share any your email ID password or email ID password to anyone. Next one is this password. I already told alphanumerical and this special character should be there for all the passwords, even for your email or for banking, that mobile apps or for internet banking. You have to have this alphanumerical and special characters. That should not be that should be very critical. They should not easily identified by any other person. Like that you have to keep. And next one is I will share some official websites of RBI, SEBI, and IRDA, and National Housing Bank, and Cyber Police Station. These are I will share the websites to Rajesh sir. He will share to all of you, because these websites are authenticated websites from the government. RBI, we are having separate website for the cybercrime. I will share all that website links. That website links, you can give all the complaints. You can register your complaint online. If any fraud is happened through this cyber frauds are happened, you can immediately lodge a complaint to RBI, National Banking House, particular bank also. Even if some share market, some fraud has happened, you can register the complaint to SEBI. If some insurance fraud has happened, you can register your complaint in IRDA. Like that, I will share you the official websites of all these regulators to you. Even that cyber police station also there, that also I will share you, that you can utilize. That's it from my side, sir. If anything is clarification is required, that also I will clarify. Thanks.
If you have any words, please share that one.
Sir?
Well, dear participants, any doubt is there, just ask. Okay, sir. No one raised that. Any issues, sir? We are concluding that. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now we are concluding this program. I would like to thank Sri Santosh Kumar sir, Lead District Manager, Indian Bank, Chengalpattu, despite his busy schedule, for he is accepting our invitation for this program. Thank you, sir. And
Thank you,
also
sir.
I thank our director, Deputy Registrar Amarnath sir, and Sankar Narayan sir, and my colleagues for the participation. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.